Good morning, everyone. It's Daniel Cho from Wealth Warriors. So in this morning's quick training, I want to talk about this common question because I see people saying that they are burned out all the time. And the reason why they feel burned out because they don't know what their next step would be, how to take their business to the next level. So in this training, I want to share with you, what would I do, okay? If I had to start from scratch with no audience, no followers, no list, all I had is $100 to my name. How would I take that $100 and turn it around in 30 days? This is exactly what I did. Today, I want to show you the path. And I feel like this is the best process for you to start it from being broke to making your first $1 million online. And that's exactly what I did in my life. And also, this is exactly what my business partner, Nathan, did to quit his trucking career and build $1 million brand together with me. Today, I want to share with you this process. So the first thing I would do is I would pick something that is a process, and that process can actually bring people's value. For example, for me, I chose digital marketing. I chose to learn how to do marketing using social media. And you can also start from choose anything from cutting the grass, painting the house, editing a book, or helping people set up their social media profile, designing their branding image. If you are good at photography, you also help people take good product photo, whatever. But anything that's a process, and when that process is done, it can bring someone value. And usually that's the process that other people, they don't want to do it themselves. So the first thing, you need to choose a process that can bring people value and something that most people, they don't want to do it themselves. So that's the biggest idea here. And you need to choose a process that doesn't require decades of experience. So choose something simple and people don't want to do. And that process, once it's done, it can actually bring people value. I'm sorry, but if you lock yourself in a room for a week and just read 10, 20 books related to that subject. For example, I chose social media marketing, affiliate marketing. That's how I got started. I locked myself. I read books, all kinds of books I can get my hands on. I have all kinds of audio books on my cell phone when I started out. So you go out there, acquire that knowledge. If you can do that, spend 1 week, read 10, 20 books related to that subject, I can tell you, you will be better at this subject than 90% of people on this planet. I'm showing you now it works, but it also takes work. But if you want to become a millionaire, this is the quickest, fastest way I found in my own experience. So just acquire that knowledge. And it's not hard to acquire knowledge. You just need to put in the work. I know that because that's exactly what I did. Exactly what my business partner, Nathan, did. I was on food stamps. I didn't know jack. So I just read a bunch of books, listened to all kinds of audio books related to social media marketing. So the point here is that I would find some process that actually brought people value. I keep repeating this because this is very important. And you learn how to do that process as quickly as possible. I would do that process not only for myself, then I will do that process done for you service. I would do that process for a couple of people for free. I would do it for free. I would learn the process, do the process in my business, make sure it works. Then I would help other people to do that process for free. So I would be like, all right, I would do this for you. I'll do the process for you, the process that you don't want to do. And once the process is done, if it works and if you receive value, then you got to give me some reviews, honest reviews. Give me some testimonials. That's exactly what I would do in the first 30 days. And once I got a couple of reviews, couple of testimonials, people say that they really receive value for me, offering them that kind of done for you service, that process, then I got something valuable I can offer to the market. Does that make sense? Then I would just keep repeating this process until I got really, really good at it. And not only did I get good at it, but I got good at troubleshooting it. I got good at knowing in and out of that process. I got good at different things that I know that could happen when you go through this process yourself. I would get to the point that I would even feel bored doing that process. Get to the point I can do that process even when I'm in sleep. Then once you get to that point, then you can move on to the next level. The next level would be, I would start teaching people how to do that process. Because once you become good at it, then it becomes just a routine for you. Once it becomes a boring routine for you, now you are ready to begin your consulting business, your consulting coaching service business, showing people how to be good at doing that same process. Now it's time you can package that process into a proven framework and start offering it to the market, start charging people. Once you get to that point, then you can start offering that service as the paid service. Me and Nate, we started from doing affiliate marketing and we invented our process. We teach people how to build your brand authority, how to get testimonial, how to offer your bonus, right? And initially, we offer this process as part of our coaching for free as a bonus. Then once we can help other people get results, then we start selling our service, selling our knowledge, selling our coaching for money. So that's how we grew our business. That's exactly what I did to turn my life around, right? Started from being on food stamps, got sued by American Express, over the $35,000 credit card debt, to now owning $1 million business. So this process works, but it takes work. So answer my first question. If I have no list, no audience, no followers, I only have $100 to my name, what would I do? I would spend that $100 to acquire knowledge. Actually, I would spend that $100 to buy a bunch of books. If you're gonna buy books to attain knowledge, I suggest you buy audiobook because you get way more books comparing to if you buy physical hard copy books. So you get more bang on the bucks. You know what I'm saying? So let me repeat that again. This is the path. This is the proven framework if you are willing to do it. So number one, find the process that can bring people value and the process that most people don't want to do. For example, Nate, he used to offer people service on Fiverr, help other people to create their ebooks, and that ebooks, people can use it as the lead magnet. People can use that ebook to get more leads and sales. That's part of the process Nate was offering. So number one, find a process that can bring people value, a process that most people don't want to do. Number two, learn how to do that process and start doing it for yourself or doing it for free for other people and get good at it. Number three, keep getting good at it. Read every book you can get your hands on related to that subject, or pay for knowledge, hire a coach, learn how to do it, whatever. You got to show people that you can do it. Number four, get some reviews, get some testimonials, then start charging for that service. Number five will be keep going, then turn that done for you process, done for you service into an educational product, into an information product, into a coaching business, into a course, whatever. Number six, you just keep scaling from there. And throughout the process, you're gonna acquire more skills related to that subject, become an authority in that space, become an expert when it comes to that subject. Then you can raise your price after you prove that you can get people results. That's exactly what I did. And that's all I did in the last 2 years. So this is the easiest way, proven process that can take anybody from a broke ass like myself to becoming a millionaire. I don't know if there is any easier process than this. Maybe there is. If you can travel back in time and buy some Bitcoin when it was like $5. But we all know we couldn't go back in time. So if you cannot do that, then do this. Follow my process. Follow this proven framework. So I got to do my school run. I need to drop my kids to school. So I hope you guys receive value. If you have any questions that you want to ask me, just drop them in the comment section down below. Then when I have time, I'm gonna jump on live or I'm gonna make another video to answer your question. 2024 is the year of the wealth. There's no reason why you cannot make money online if you do it properly. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day.